According to Money Magazine, 1 in 6 car buyers are paying $1,000 or more on car payments. Insanity. The average car of a vehicle is $50,000. Let me ask you a question. What happened to the day of riding around a hoopty? Are hoopties even a thing anymore? Drop a comment down below and let me know. I recently heard a story from a friend of mine that has gone to the dealership between this year, and they told him when he tried to negotiate that there is not going to be a negotiation. The price is what it is. The price was $7,000 more than the MSRP. You heard me right, $7,000 more than the MSRP. He told me straight up that was the only option they had. And he is a great negotiator, but he could not negotiate with them. They basically told him, hey, this is the price. If you like it, take it. If not, leave. The problem is we are extremely infatuated with vehicles. We do not care about the price. We have a mentality of, well, we deserve it. It's a car. It's a piece of metal. $50,000 for a piece of metal is not worth it, especially since it's a depreciating asset. You recently had experience buying a car? Leave a comment down below and let me know how it went. With interest rates being so high right now, buying a car is the worst thing for you to do, especially a brand new car. This is killing your wealth. Let me break it down to you like this. The average household median makes $70,000 a year. That is around $5,800 a month, roughly. If your car payment is $1,000 a month, that is 17% of your whole monthly income. And if you think about it, you're nearly spending 1 week at work to just pay for your own vehicle. That is not the way you will build wealth. There is so much more you could do with a $1,000 payment. I remember the days when I thought a $500 payment was a lot. I previously had a Ford Explorer, and that was at least 2 years used at least, and I thought that was ridiculously high. So what I did was I traded it and got another vehicle, and that vehicle was half the payment, and to this day it's still around. You see, because a car, people, is gonna get dinged in a parking lot. So many things are gonna happen to that car, so it's just gonna be a piece of junk when it's all said and done, and it's not gonna build you wealth. You might look cute driving in this car, but in reality, your wallet and your bank account and your investments, they're looking really, really ugly. And I'm not trying to tell you I'm anti having a nice car. I'm just trying to tell you, if you get a vehicle, make sure it fits in your finance, and you're not going to work for 1 whole week just to make a car payment. I mean, that's half the price of most people's mortgage and rent. So to everyone out there who has a paid off car, how are you feeling right now? I have a paid off car and I am feeling great that I'm not in the mix of trying to get a car with all this craziness, with all these used cars being so expensive and no negotiation can happen with these cars. Let me know, drop a comment down below and tell me how was your experience and how does it feel to have your car fully paid off during these crazy, wild, turbulent times.